You've seen the viral clips, Unitree's robots doing martial arts, landing backflips, and running marathons. But just like everyone on Reddit, I had to ask, is this just CGI-level marketing hype, or very real technological shift? Today, we bypass the PR stunts and crack open their newly leaked IPO prospectus. By the end of this video, you'll discover the cold hard numbers, exactly how many robots Unitree is actually selling, who are the big-ticket clients quietly buying them up, and the honest truth about how far away they really are from your living room. As usual, no fluff. Let's dive in. Before opening this massive IPO prospectus, I assumed Unitree was just another hardware startup, making money off robot dogs and building humanoids strictly for PR stunts. But buried in the financial data is a massive structural shift. In the tech world, they call it the flipping. Its financials reveal a shocker. From 2022 to 2024, their revenue grew steadily, from about $17 million to $56 million. Nice, but normal. Wait, back up. In just the first 9 months of 2025, that number violently spiked to roughly $166 million, almost triple their entire previous year, in just 3 quarters. But the craziest part isn't how much money they made, it's where it came from. Here's a smoking gun. In 2023, 75% of Unitree's revenue came from quadruped robot dogs, humanoids, a microscopic 1.8%. But by late 2025, humanoids completely hijacked the balance sheet, taking over 51% of total revenue. Practically overnight, Unitree muted from a dog company into a humanoid-centric enterprise. Let's translate those financial charts into heavy metals. In 2023, they sold exactly 5 humanoid robots. In 2024, 410 units. But in the first 9 months of 2025, they aggressively shipped 3,551 full-size humanoids to the market, which brings up a multi-million-dollar question. Who on earth is buying over 5,500 humanoid robots? This leads us to the most juicy part of the prospectus, the secret client list. There's a big secret hidden in that prospectus. The #1 buyer is printed in black and white, JD.com, dropping nearly $6 million. Now, if you live outside of Asia, you might ask, what is JD.com? Think of Alibaba like eBay, a marketplace. JD is the Amazon of China. They dominate through ruthless, massive in-house logistics. So, why is JD buying an army of robots? 2 reasons. First, sheer logistical scale. JD processes billions of annual orders from over 700 million active users. They use Unitree to supercharge warehouse sorting and cover the blind spots of their own in-house smart wolf robots. Second, retail survival. The Chinese e-commerce market right now is a brutal red ocean, a financial bloodbath where Alibaba, Temu, and JD are fighting for their lives. JD's founder realizes high-ticket humanoids could be the next massive consumer category. They've already launched a joint offline store with Unitree. Whoever wins the robot retail war survives. Beyond e-commerce, let's look at heavy industry. This file also reviewed massive contracts with energy giants like Sinopec, essentially China's equivalent to ExxonMobil, and the national power grid. They're deploying Unitree's industrial quadrupeds into extreme environments, from autonomous toxic gas detection in oil fields to high-voltage grid maintenance. These machines are replacing humans in what engineers call the 3D job: dull, dirty, and dangerous. But this is where the deep dive gets really interesting. Buried in this file, under accounts receivables, is a redacted name, overseas customer X from North America. This anonymous client owes $910,000. Factoring in Unitree's hardware pricing and payment cycles, this single line item indicates a multi-million-dollar transaction volume for 2025 alone. So, who is customer X? This document only vaguely mentions renowned global tech enterprise. It can be Amazon, it can be Google. So, which company do you think it is? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Now, a new question comes to my mind. If logistics empires, Exxon-level energy titans, and the AI chip monopolies are holding these machines today. How far away from a robot actually doing your laundry and dishes? Let's take a look at the Unitree's roadmap. Instead of guessing, let's decode Unitree's official roadmap in that file. It outlines a strict three-phase rollout. Right now, we are in phase 1. The financial data proves nearly all 2025 sales went to university labs and hazardous industrial sites. But phase 2 is quietly unfolding behind those closed doors. Factory integration. Have you heard the term embodied AI? Think of it simply as giving a digital brain, like ChatGPT, to a physical body to manipulate the real world. According to the prospectus, by early 2026, Unitree deployed their proprietary AI model inside their own manufacturing plant. The result? Machines are actively building machines. So, what about phase 3? It's your living room. The filing lists home care and elderly assistance as the ultimate endgame. However, the prospectus gets shockingly honest here. It explicitly highlights 3 massive bottlenecks: limited scenarios, fragmentation, and the complex unstructured environments. What does that corporate jargon actually mean? It means your house is an absolute nightmare for artificial intelligence. To a human, a dropped sock or misplaced coffee table is just life. To an AI, your messy living room is a chaotic, unpredictable challenge. Unitree is practically warning investors. Our cutting-edge vision language models are incredible, but do not expect a robotic nanny tomorrow. This reveals their smart, calculated Trojan horse strategy. Why price a highly capable, full-size humanoid under $16,000? Because they aren't trying to sell to everyday customers. They are empowering a global network of developers. Unitree realized writing code for the sheer unpredictability of domestic life is a massive undertaking. So, they open-sourced the hardware. They essentially built the original iPhone of robotics. Now, they are relying on thousands of independent hackers and engineers to build the Cook Dinner app and the Fold Laundry app. Right now, what Unitree is actually selling is a raw open-source ticket to the future. So, here's the ultimate reality check. If you're waiting for a polished C3PO butler to fold your laundry by next Tuesday, the perfect consumer robot isn't here yet. But make no mistake, the ticket to that sci-fi future has officially gone on sale. And that brings us to the biggest, most glaring anomaly buried in this file. How on earth is Unitree selling high-performance full-size humanoid packed with proprietary joint motors, LiDAR, and a neural brain for under $16,000? In our next episode, we are going to dip into the mechanical changes in this prospectus to find out how Unitree managed to slash manufacturing costs to the price of a used Honda Civic. You won't want to miss how the sausage is actually made. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and of course let me know in the comments below if you have some topic you want me to cover in the future. I will see you in the next one.